Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you to OneOdio A70 Bluetooth. It's an over-ear headphones, studio headphones with Shareport, wired and wireless function, as you like, because it is a professional monitor recording headphones with additional 6.3mm audio cable black. It is black here. The jack lock design for make sure the cable lock in place to ensure a secure connection. OneOdio added a jack lock system on the stereo aux cable. We don't have to worry about any connection problems when connecting the jack and socket. And with a soft memory earcups, the breathable protein skin earmuffs, and the soft sponge inside improve the wearing experience, make sure a good sound insulation, and there is no discomfort for long-term wearing. And 72 hours of playtime. Whoa, and 40mm drivers. Here we are, 72 hours playback time to deliver a wireless experience. 40mm drivers, inner and outer rings deliver vibrant bass, vivid mids, and vivacious highs without overlap. And it works with all devices which have 3.5mm or 6.35mm audio jack, bass sound, durability, and comfort. These are the headphones we have been looking for. And additional, there is a 6.3mm cable. Measures 9.8 feet long. Of course, it's stretched, okay? Called 6.3mm and 3.5mm male-to-male stereo audio cable. We can connect personal computers, pads, smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices with this stereo speakers here system. This is awesome. OneOdio A70 brings us a new joy of hearing. In this music has the power to make people relieved and uplifted, which people can hardly feel with normal headphones. With the OneOdio, we will hear everything we need: the bass, the detail, and the dynamics of the sound. And we have remote control. We have 3 buttons on the right side of the Bluetooth over-ear headphones, and there is a plus and a minus to volume up and volume down. Of course, in the center it is an enter button or a switch on or a switch off button. If you push there once, you can make the next track, the previous track, the last track, or you push again 2 times or 3 times, and then you can make it louder or volume down, or of course you can choose to use your voice assistant system. If the OneOdio Fusion A70 headphones are docked to our smartphone, you can use Siri, Cortana on your computer, for example, or Google or Alexa, what you like. The model here is A70. The speakers are 40mm. The frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The charging current is 250 milliampere. The talk time, because it is a headset, there is a built-in microphone too, and the talk time is 50 hours. The wireless range is more than 10 meters. The charging voltage is 5 volt. That means you can recharge it in any area where you like. A USB socket, and USB power back, laptop, computer, Mac, no prop. Everything will match there. Bluetooth music current is 7 milliampere to 9 milliampere. The BT music playback time is 72 hours. And this is wow. The battery capacity is 650 milliampere hour. And it's not so heavy on your head. The charging time is only 2.5 hours. The microphone sensitivity is minus 42 decibel up to plus minus 3 decibel. The impedance is 32 ohm. The plug type is a 3.5 millimeter and a 6.35 millimeter. And of course, a micro USB port. You will get the OneOdio Fusion A70 headphone, a dual duty cable for 6.3 millimeter and 3.5 millimeter. You will get additional a 3.5 millimeter audio cable with a line-in microphone, a USB charging cable, a user guide, and a pouch. And this is awesome because you can use it wired and wireless. And this I like really much. New generation of headphones comes with that feature. You can choose what's the best way to use is for you. Wired or wireless. That's awesome. This is the OneOdio A70 Bluetooth over-ear headphones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And pairing is so easy. Push on the device and then go to the smartphone Bluetooth setup, and then you can choose it there, docked, continued. Sun.